Hi guys, welcome to Skylight for you. Today I'm going to discuss about one small project spell checker. Means suppose if you give in one word that is the wrong. So it is check it is wrong or not, and after that we get output the right word. So if you are not subscribed this channel, please subscribe and like this video. First of all, two things is required in your machine. One code editor for writing the code and Python. You can use different type of code editor like Visual Studio Code, Notepad, PyCharm, anything. Whatever you want. Next is Python. Suppose if you want to check in your machine Python install or not, you press Windows R and open CMD. Here you write CMD, after that you press OK button. You see here CMD is open. Here you write Python dash dash version. After you press enter, you see here showing Python 3.8.1. That means in my machine Python already installed. So I cut this one. In my desktop I create one Python folder. Inside Python folder I create one project, that is project 22222. It is one of the folder. So now I open the Visual Studio Code. After that I open the project 222 folder. So that's why I click here. After that open folder. After that I create project 2222. Here I create one file, Python file, that is spy.py. That you have to install in your machine one package, that is py spell checker. So you write here pip install py spell checker, spellchecker. After that you press enter. It is taken few seconds. It is installed in your machine. In my machine already it is installed, so that's why here showing requirement already satisfied. Now I clear the command prompt, so that's why I write here cls and press enter. You see in my command prompt is clear. Now I going to write a program. So here whatever you install in your machine means spell checker, so you first import here. So I write here from spell checker import spell checker. You see here I select spell checker, means S is capital, so I select this one. After that I create one variable spl equal to spell checker and function symbol. I create one variable that is store the misspelled word, means I create one variable that is misp. It store the misspelled word. So here I write spl, means this one. After that dot unknown. So you write unknown, and here I create one list. Here I write some word that is Python. So here I not used n, only pytho I write. After that I write r. After that I write Skylight. After that I write help. Help HEL. I write HEL. So I save this program. You see here I create list. Up inside list some word I write. This one is the wrong word and this one also wrong word. These two are correct. So whatever wrong word is there, so it is stored the MISP variable. After that I want to access misspelled word. So that's why I write here for word WORD in MISP, means whatever misspelled word is there inside MISP variable, so I take one by one inside word. After that I correct word. So that's why I write print spl dot correction, and inside bracket I write word. After that I save this program. You see here I import. After that I write the spell checker function and I create one list. Inside list some word I write, these are some wrong word and some right word. So you see these two are right word and these two are wrong word. So misspell word is store misp. After that I one by one access and correct this word. So I save this program once again and I run this program. You see the output Python. So hell is the one word inside dictionary it is available, so that's why it is not so, because this one is the correct, so that's why. So here I put helpp. Okay, after that I save this program and i I press the run button. So you see here I got output Python help. So pytho, this one is the wrong word and this one also wrong word, so we get output the right word Python help. Now I going to write program better way. So means I take input from user. After that it check the word is correct or not. If the word is correct, so it is pinned. If word is not correct, so it is given the suggestion. Here I write while, means I create one infinite loop, so that's why I write while true. And inside while loop I create one variable word equal to I want to take input from user, so that's why I write here enter the word. So after that whatever word I take from user, I convert that word the lowercase. So that's why I write here word equal to word dot lower function symbol. So after that I check if this word is available in spell checker. Right, in SPL, so means this one. After that I write colon and here I print if this word is available, means this one is correct, so that's why I write here each sp spelled correct. Here I write format inside bracket word. Okay, after that write else part. So inside else part I write correct word corword equal to spell dot correction. Inside bracket I write word. Means if this word is not available in dictionary, so it is coming to the else part and the word is correct. After that it is store this word corword variable. After that I print the correct word, so that's why I write here print the best suggestion for inside colon I write bracket each and again colon bracket. After that I paste the double quote dot format for format. Inside bracket I write word comma correct word. So here you see what I write. I save this program. Okay, one more bracket is required here. I write print inside bracket the best suggestion for curly bracket is curly braces dot format word correct word. Means this word is stored here and this correct word is stored here. Means here suppose the word is incorrect, it is the correct. After that the correct word is stored corword variable. Now I save this program. After that I press the run button. You see here enter the word. Here I write Python. So NILS. After that I press enter. You see the best suggestion for PYTHO is Python. Means this one is the wrong word, this one is the correct word. After that I print Skylight. You see Skylight is spelled correct. So you see it is the again taken input. It is in infinite time it is going on. So now you write break outside else block. So here I write break and I press the enter. After that I save this program and run this program. You see here enter the word, I write Skylight. So this one is the correct, so that's why so Skylight is spelled correct. You see it is not taken again output. So again I run this program. After that I write Python ISN. You see the best suggestion for PYTHO is Python. I think you understand all this concept, and also if you learn something from this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. If you have any doubt, comment below. Thank you watching this video. Understand this program.